Why is NEMA 1450 outlet installation so expensive? Imagine plugging in your electric vehicle at home and wondering why the cost to set up that outlet seems so high. Well, the answer involves more than just the outlet itself. Installing a NEMA 1450 outlet, which is used for fast level to charging, can be quite costly for several reasons. First, it needs a dedicated 240-volt, 50-amp circuit to deliver enough power safely. That means running new wiring from your main electrical panel all the way to where you want the outlet. If your panel is far from that spot, the longer wiring increases material costs and the labor needed to install it. Older homes might not have enough capacity in their electrical panels, so you could need a panel upgrade or even add a new sub-panel. That can add anywhere from $500 to $2,000 or more to your total bill. Labor costs make up a big part of the expense too. Hiring a licensed electrician is essential to ensure everything meets safety standards and local electrical codes. Electricians charge hourly rates that vary depending on where you live and how complex the job is. If the wiring has to go through difficult spaces like inside walls or ceilings, that takes more time and increases costs. Sometimes, permits and inspections are required to make sure everything is safe and up to code. These permits usually cost between $50 and $150, adding to the overall price. The materials used also matter. You need a high-quality outlet, wiring, conduit, circuit breakers, and other electrical parts. These components must meet safety standards to support reliable EV charging and prevent hazards. All these factors combined make the installation more expensive than simply plugging in a device. From the perspective of an electric vehicle owner, this investment means faster, safer home charging. It reduces the need to relying on slower level 1 chargers or public charging stations. While the upfront cost might seem high, it pays off in convenience and efficiency over time. So, the main reasons for the high cost are the need for specialized electrical infrastructure, possible panel upgrades, labor-intensive work, permit fees, and quality materials. Each of these steps ensures your home charging setup is safe, reliable, and ready for your electric vehicle.